Economic watchers were shocked and disappointed by data released today. SABC says that the economy contracted by 1.3% in the second quarter of this year. Market expectations were that GDP would register growth.
It was inevitable that economic growth would not be as positive as that registered in the first quarter, but the contraction in the second quarter serves as a wake-up call about the extent of the economy's poor performance. The agricultural sector was the hardest hit, declining by over 17%. Drought conditions have wreaked havoc on that sector. The mining sector declined 6.8%, while manufacturing declined by 6.3%. The prognosis for growth going forward is not looking good.
Prospects of growth is going to be more of the same thing. We've gone all the way from 4.6% to the current level of 1.2%. And if we don't take a change of course of action, that growth is going to go below 1%, unfortunately.
Speaking to the Reserve Bank's unusual move to indicate that it's mindful of the market backlash that's currently underway and that it may intervene in the foreign currency markets if it becomes too concerned, Abedian says there's very little the bank can do.
The only place that the Reserve Bank has a place to monitor and potentially act is if the domestic financial institutions, asset managers, banks, corporates, especially the ones that have got global mega trades, if they observe that there is some form of activity, call it collusion, amongst these players to hedge against or bet against the currency, there they have some space to take actions. Remember, we've been there before, back in 2001, 2002, and a couple of other occasions. So it's not that the Reserve Bank has no role to play, but their role is so limited in the broader context of the global vortex that has hit the financial markets.
Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.